Setting up Postscript on Shopify allows you to engage with your customers through SMS marketing. Here's how to do it. Install Postscript app. Log into your Shopify admin, go to the App Store, and search for Postscript SMS Marketing. Click Install and authorize the app to integrate with your store. Create a Postscript account. Once installed, follow the prompts to create a Postscript account. You will need to enter basic business info and select your country. Set up compliance settings. SMS marketing is regulated, so configure compliance settings like TCPA compliance, opt-in pop-ups, and keyword responses. Postscript provides ready-made tools for this, including compliant pop-up forms, customized pop-ups and keywords. Design your opt-in pop-up using Postscript's builder or integrate with other platforms like Privy or Klaviyo. Set up custom keywords for customers to text in and subscribe. Segment your audience. Use Postscript segmentation tools to group subscribers based on behavior or demographics. This helps personalize your campaigns. Send SMS campaigns. Create and send your first SMS campaign directly from the dashboard. Monitor performance using built-in analytics.